We have to talk about how today the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Hobby Lobby in its lawsuit against the federal government. The court agreed with the evangelical-owned Kraft chain's argument that being forced to provide certain types of birth control coverage was, in fact, a violation of their faith. Now, depending on where you stand, this is a big win for religious freedom or a major loss for the rights of women and workers.
Yeah, this is, first of all, I have a lot more details, and you should read the article on TakePart.com if you really want to go in depth on this. Hobby Lobby argued that they have a moral objection to 4 of the 20 kinds of birth control that are available under President Obama's Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, on the grounds that they induce abortion, which evidently is, not true. The science behind this ruling, I guess, was even a little bit flawed, so way to go, Supreme Court. The ruling applies to really closely held, privately owned businesses, and 90% of businesses in America fall under this. Half the people that work in America work for a closely held business. Right. Megan, I know you like to talk about freedom, but technically the Supreme Court now is freeing up this company to do whatever they want. Do you like this type of freedom?
No, this is what scares me about this. I'm all about the separation of church and state in America, and this is saying religious beliefs, your religious beliefs, you can stop someone from having whatever kind of medical need you want for your company. So if Scientologists are running your company, are you no longer going to have depression medication? If Jehovah's Witnesses, are you no longer going to have any access, I think, to anything? I don't think they believe in medicine. I don't know for sure. I mean, to me, this is a very slippery slope.
So if the Bus family, if you were still on the Lakers and the Bus family said, well, we're of such and such religion, we're not going to provide vaccines for you and your children, what would you do?
I mean, you would have to argue that, and you would have to fight it, because everybody's different, and, America's such a melting pot now. So you just, those beliefs go out the window.